Alright, so we're gonna do gingerbread cookies for the first time. I've never made them. I bought molasses last year because I wanted to make them, I just never did. So we're gonna do it today, and then I think it said after I mix the dough up, I have to wrap it up in plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for 4 hours. So I'm gonna get this part done and stick it in the fridge, and then we'll come back later to make the actual cookies. This one feels a little bit heavy. Ooh. We have the Eye Lust mascara. I'll have to try it out tomorrow though. Well, it's a thick wand. I will give it a go tomorrow. You can't tell in my lighting, but I am wearing the blush from yesterday. I really like it, actually, so I'm excited for that. I think we still have a couple more hours to let the gingerbread cookie dough chill in the fridge, so I'm just gonna go get some laundry done, and I'm not sure what else, but I need to get some of that done. And once again, I'm starting to get really tired. It's been a pretty productive day with baking and washing all the dishes. I have just been cleaning more. And now I'm gonna get caught up on laundry. And I have Pikachu next to me. Pika, Pika! Okay, so I think we're gonna end up finishing the gingerbread cookies tomorrow, because the recipe says to leave the dough in the refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight. So we're gonna do overnight. I think Alden is too tired to want to cut out all of the cookies. And then I realized I didn't have any icing for the gingerbread men, so I'm just gonna make an icing that I found, you know, milk and powdered sugar and whatnot. So I'm gonna do that, which I will probably wait to do that till tomorrow as well. But I got this off of Amazon not that long ago because it looked really pretty and I wanted to try it. It's the Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Diamond Dust, and of course you're not gonna be able to see how it really looks because my lighting sucks, and it's dark now, so I can't let the sun in. But it's a really pretty, it's called a Skin Perfecting Glow, and the shade is Starlit Glow, and I actually really like it. At first, when I swatched it, I was like, oh no, this is glittery. But when you put it all over the face, it doesn't look glittery. It just gives your face a nice glow or sheen or what have you. I really like it. I like it a lot more than I thought I would. So now I'm just trying to think of what else to do to fill up the rest of this vlog, since we're gonna wait to do the gingerbread men. But I am still finishing up on laundry. I'm doing a load of towels now, and then just try to figure out what else I can do and go from there. Okay, so the elves decided to make an elf breakfast consisting of an elf's 4 main food groups: candy, candy canes, candy corns, and syrup. I actually still need to break up a candy cane and put it on top, but I used the rest of this because there wasn't much left at all. A little bit of syrup. Just put a little bit of syrup in their cups. And this is Snowball. He made a return. Carter. It's a mini lipstick. It's called Lippy Chic Ultra Cream Lipstick, and the shade is Lip Service. I will try it on at some point, but I can already tell I'm not gonna enjoy the color. It's a little too brown for me. I don't like those shades whatsoever. But I did do my makeup for the day, obviously. I'm wearing the same W7 blush I got from the advent calendar. I really like it. I did also put on the mascara that I just got, I think yesterday. Don't really like it. So I placed an order for the first time ever on Temu. I saw a link for this purse that it like looked too good to be true, but it looked like a dupe for this Dooney and Burke purse that I've seen like on eBay and Poshmark and stuff. That's like super, super expensive. But I saw this purse and it was super on sale during Black Friday, and I ordered it. So I think the style of Dooney is Florentine. It's literally so nice. It was less than $20, and I was afraid like when I got it I would just kind of be like, oh, like disappointed. And I don't know, it's really soft. It's even red on the inside, just like the Dooney. My lighting sucks, but so like on the Dooney, the logo would be there. It has the cute little tassels. There is a zippered pocket on the back. I just put the crossbody strap on. Well, I made it crossbody, but you could use it as a shoulder strap. But I went with white. The one that I saw on the link originally was black, and you guys know I love black purses, but I didn't necessarily like it on this purse. And so I went with white because I don't really have any white purses, and I just thought it was really pretty, especially with the red inside. So, being under $20, I ordered two. I got another color, and I'm actually glad because, like, the purse turned out so much better than I could have ever expected. So this is the white one, and then this one, you know what, you're not going to be able to see the color. Give me 1 second. Okay, it's like a gray purple. I'm not really sure how to describe it. So they had black, brown, this like gray, purple, white, and like a very light blue. But I really liked this color as well. I just took it out of the plastic, so I haven't, you know, tried to straighten it out, but they're really well made for the price. I think now, not being Black Friday or Cyber Monday or anything, I believe they're around 20 bucks, but I got them for much less during the sale, and I feel like it's a steal getting two purses for under $20 a piece. And then to get the free shipping, I just added this cute little like beanie hat with little pearls and gold and silver beads on it. I just thought it was cute. They had different colors. I liked the dark gray. They had a really pretty pink one too, but I feel like the dark gray would go with more than the pink. And then I thought this little ring was cute. It's not gonna focus, but so I just got that. And then inside the package were these little gift cards. Definitely recommend checking out this website. I did download the app, so just if you download the Temu app, I'm trying to remember when I placed the order. I would say it took about a week to get this. I've like been checking because I've been so anxious to see the purses. Like every day I'm like checking the tracking and everything, but yeah, now I just need to put my stuff in it so it'll fill it out and look better than it does coming just out of the package. But I'm super excited, and I'm so glad I got this color because this one is so pretty. Like, even with the light on, it's not doing the color justice. It's really, really pretty. Okay, so the first batch of icing that I made, I thought it would be thick enough to just kind of, you know, pipe on around the shape. But I was wrong. It's just too thin and more of a glaze. So I'm just icing some like you would sugar cookies. I'll probably just use the rest of this glaze on these. We'll see. If I can get the consistency right, I may even go around the edges of the ones I put like the glaze on. But yeah, this one looks like he's like kicking his little leg. But yeah, they're coming along.